Hey guys, so today on the Shed Sesh, we're going to look at an overview of automating your shed with one of these. Alexa, bring in the intro. Alexa, turn on back shed mode. Alexa, turn off hoist light. Alexa, turn on hoist light. Alexa, shut down back shed. Alexa, turn on fan. Alexa, turn off fan. Alexa. Hey guys, so I haven't done too much more to the 1 tonner, so I thought I'd just get a quick video out around automating your shed. So I've got an Alexa up here, and I mean my wiring's a bit of a shambles at the moment. We've got I haven't got the shed wired properly. That's on my to-do list. So I have some smart switches here to the Alexa communicates to and turns things on and off. So as you just saw, you can set up modes or routines, or they're called different things. You got the Google, the Google Homes as well, do similar things. You can get them pretty cheap off the internet nowadays. That's an older, I think a version 2 Echo Dot, and got a couple of version 3s in the house as well. You can also set up groups. So if I tell it to play music on the deck and sheds group, then it'll play in both sheds and on the deck. So as I'm working around the between sheds, I'm listening to the same music. So a few different things you can do. You can set them up as lights. So for instance, we've got these two lights, that one and that one, are joined together, and that one over there is separate. So if I go turn off shed lights, hang on, Alexa, turn off shed lights. Should just turn those two off, I think, and that one's still on. Alexa, turn off hoist light. There we go. So Alexa, turn on lights. There we go. They all come on. So it's a little bit of a wank factor, but what really comes in handy, for instance, when you're playing music, and you're doing these videos, you can just tell Alexa to stop the music, that type of thing. You can wire up the fan, as I've had in the video just before, to turn on and off. So a few different things you can do, a few different types of automation. It's getting pretty cheap nowadays. As I said, you can pick up those Alexas for next to nothing now, and you can get those smart switches. I think I've got an Arlec one there. I don't even know. I think that was going out of. They'd stopped making those, and I got it cheap. But the Genio ones from Kmart, about $17 for one power point. So you can set things to come on and come off, different schedules and times and that type of thing. So you could even get it to turn on your compressor, all that type of stuff. So just an easy way of communicating to automate your shed. So well, another thing, one thing I've only just done, this shed, I don't have any fiberglass panels or anything. And it's like a big Faraday cage. So look that up on the internet if you don't know what it is. But it's pretty much just a cage that no signals will get into. You know, it's sort of grounded. So all the signals from outside, the Wi-Fi from the house, will actually, by the time it gets into the shed, if I close all the roller doors, you just get zero signal. So bit of a thing at the moment is these Ethernet over power. So again, it's a little bit dodgy, but that bit there. I've got the other end of that connected into the router at the in the house, and then what it does, it transmits the Ethernet signals, the networking, over the power lines. So as long as it's on the same circuit, it'll pick it up here, and then it'll transmit out the Wi-Fi. So now although I'm getting a red flashing light over there for some reason. Now I've got full Wi-Fi, super strong signal within the shed. So Alexa's connected, the other Wi-Fi dongles and that, and when I come in here, my phone connects directly to it, and it's the same Wi-Fi network as the house. So you get no interruption; it just picks it up. So there you go, guys. I'll leave it there. Any questions on how to set up a shed? Give us a write some comments in the below, and I'll try and answer them. But it's all pretty straightforward. I think anybody nowadays is almost born knowing how to set up Wi-Fi and dongles and bits and pieces. So all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Love your work, and get in the shed. You can also, if you've got multiple Alexas around the house, Alexa, drop into kitchen. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Hey, any chance you could bring me a beer?
Yeah, sure, I'll be right there.
Thanks, babe. Alexa, hang up. So, as you can see, it can be quite useful.